seems like my GoPro did not record the data overlays, so we're gonna do this again one more time. Nakto skylark, nighttime. Let's see what sort of footage we get and how much speed we can clock in our neighborhood. So let's go. So I'm going downhill, so downhill you should get good, very good kind of speed. What will happen in uphill? Ooh, this is so much of fun. This is so much of fun, folks. Ooh. Oh, the light is actually more downwards. I would have loved the light a little bit forward. This is like full throttle. I'll brake a bit out here. Check out, nobody's coming. And we're gonna see what we can do. Ooh, that was fun, right? Now let's turn back and go uphill. Yeah, it's not that much fun. Uphill is slow. I cannot stand up on this. Why? I don't know. I don't feel confident. Yeah, but it's pulling it. Slow down a bit out here. Nobody out here. So the light needs to be adjusted. Let's adjust the light. It's too low. Yeah. This should be more than enough. I don't know whether you guys can see or not. This light works pretty well, right? I can see the roads. It's triple amount of fun. Just full throttle and let it go. Shocked to see how good it is performing uphill. I mean, I'm still maintaining a decent amount of speed. This is like full throttle. That's it. A quick run, and we'll see what happens to telemetry.